Hello everyone, I welcome back to the HTML series. So in the last lecture we have explored the text formatting, heading and the paragraphs. So today we shall learn about how to organize content using lists and how to connect different pages using links. So these two features are the foundation of the website navigation. So without wasting time, just get started. So today, we will discuss the first, which is list in HTML. List in HTML. Okay. So basically, there are so many types of lists. So the first one is your ordered list. Ordered list, and its tag is written like OL, and inside this you are writing some content, and then you are writing the closing tag. Okay. So without wasting time, just see the demo. So for this, the output is come like 1, 2, 3, and your content like HTML, CSS or JavaScript, whatever you will write, it will come in the numeric form. Okay. So let me go to the VS Code and just explain it in like with the practical and hands-on. So yeah, I have opened my like VS Code. So there is the basic template for this index.html file. So now I am going to write the code. So for this, I have to give like unordered list. So unordered list. So in this, I will give the list like li, and in this, I will put the value like html, and like that in the next list, I will write like so here, like if you will give like list, and inside that you will write like the JavaScript, and like that you can write like React or Node.js or MongoDB like that. So it will create the list, and the value is assigned to be numeric. So this is about the ordered list. So now moving further to the unordered list. So let me go to the notepad and just take a brief info about ordered list. Sorry, unordered list, and then we will come to the VS Code for the practical visualization. So like unordered list, we are writing like the second one is like unordered list, and in this we are writing something like UL and some list content in the li tag, and then we are closing the unordered list. Okay, so this is how the overall like syntax for writing this. So it gives the output as the bullet point. So suppose apple, papaya. So in the list you are writing like apple, papaya, so it will give in the bullet point. So let's see the practical demonstration of this. So let me clear this one first. So for the unordered list, we will write like UL, and inside this, I will write like uh, li, and I will give like apple, banana, cherry, date, like that. Okay. So this is about the unordered list. So the next type of the list is like nested list. Okay, so let's go to the notepad first. So in the nested list, let me write down the third one, which is nested list. So in the nested list inside the list are allowed. Okay, so what it means, suppose I have created one unordered list, and inside that unordered list, I can make one another unordered list, and there will be some value. Okay, so let me uh, uh, give you the practical demonstration of this. So let me clear this all things. So first we have make the unordered list, and inside that I have make a list like fruits. Okay, and inside that I will create one unordered list, and in that I will mention the name like apple. Sorry, it should be inside the list. Your banana, your cherry. So like that, we have given a title, and inside that I am assigning some fruits name. So this is how the nested list works. So the next one is like description list. So for writing the description list, let me show you the practical demonstration, then I will write the name there. So in the description list, you are writing like DL, and inside the DL, you are giving the description data or description title. Okay, so description title is like HTML. Just for an example, HTML, and the description uh, data you can write like hypertext markup language. Okay, and like that only you can make for the CSS, and it in this you will write like cascading sheet style style sheet. Okay, so see how it works. So basically it create the description list here, like it given the title and the explanation is given below. Okay, so this is how the description list works. So this is all about the list. So we are moving further with the links. So in the notepad, let me write the fourth one, which is description list. Description list. Okay, so I'm clear with this. So now we'll start with the links in HTML. Links in HTML. So basically the first link which we are reading like the anchor tag. Anchor tag, or it is denoted by A. So it is used to create the links. Used to create the links, and the syntax of this one is like A, and then you are writing like href is equal to your reference link, and then you are giving some values like what you want to appear there, and then we are closing this. So just take a practical demonstration for this. So let me open the VS Code and let me delete this all things. Okay. So first I will create one anchor tag, and in the reference I will write like a Google reference, suppose I am taking. So I want like whenever I click there, it will redirect to me the Google website. Okay. So I will give that link. So https://google.com. Okay, and I want like it should be written like click here. Okay, so let me go to the page. So when you will click here, so it will redirect to you the like, so it will redirect you to the Google website. Okay, so I hope this is clear about the links. So there is one more things in the link, like when you want, like I will click on this, and in the next tab or in the second tab, the output should or the reference link should be open. So for that, you have to do one change. You have to add one thing. So let's see. So in the same, you have to give one the target value. Okay. So you are writing like target and underscore blank. So if you will give this one target underscore blank and just save it, then when you will open the output in your page, so when you will click here now, so it will open in the new tab. Okay, so it open in the new tab. This is about the underscore blank, or you can say opening in the new tab. Okay, so the next one is like internal link. So let's understand the internal link first. So for that, let me create one more page, which is like about.html. Okay, so here I will write like this is about page. Just save it. Okay, so when you want to give the reference of that page inside this, so you are writing like just a second, guys. So you will give the reference of the about page here only. So about.html and just save it. So when you will click here, so when you will click here, so it will redirect to you the about page. So this is called the internal links. So the next one is like bookmark. Okay. So what is bookmark link? Suppose there is one like a link, and here I am writing like hashtag section 1, hashtag section 1. So when I will create one another section like your h2 tag, and inside that if I will give like id is equal to id is equal to section 1, section 1, and here you will write like this is section 1. Okay, and just give some space. Oh, I have to put the br tag. So let me copy paste something. Okay, so here you can see the about page is here. So wait, yes, so see here when you will click on this link, it will move you to the that section of whatever the ID is mentioned. Okay, so this is how the bookmark links work. So basically in the same page, if you want to go in that particular portion, then you are using this link. So when you are clicking on that, you are redirect to that section. Okay, so the next one is like combining link and list. Okay, so how we are combining the link and the list. So let's see it. So we often use to navigate menu. Suppose like UL, an ordered list I have created. Wait a second, guys. Yeah, so I have created a unordered list, and inside that I have given the three anchor tag, and for that let me create one more file for the contact.html, and let me write it like contact page. Here let me write like this is contact page. This is contact page. Okay. So when you will go to the index.html page, so here are two links. When you will click on the about, so it will redirect to you the about page. And when you will click on the contact, it will redirect to your contact page. Okay. So this is how we are combining the list and links. So in this lecture, we have learned how to create different types of lists and how to add links to create a web page. So together list and link helps to build a navigation menu and organize information clearly. So in the next lecture, we shall add media to our web page like image, audio and video. That's where our page really start becoming interactive and visually appealing. So make sure to practice by creating a navigation menu with the links using list. So see you in the next lecture. So till now, if you have like really enjoy our video, so just click the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and just share this with your friends so that your friend get also benefited for this video. So see you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye.